In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a bot to a single channel on Discord. To start, open up Discord and head into the server where your bot is installed. You'll want to make sure you have the right permissions to manage channels and roles, because this process involves adjusting the bot's access. If you're not the server owner or an admin, you may need to ask someone with higher permissions to follow these steps, or temporarily grant you access. First, decide which channel you want the bot to be active in. This will be the only place where it responds to commands or messages. So pick something that makes sense for your community, like a dedicated bot commands or tools channel. Once you've chosen that channel, click on it so you're inside it, and take note of its name and purpose. This will help you keep your server organized and avoid confusion later. Next, we'll adjust permissions so the bot is effectively locked to this one channel. Go to your server settings and open the roles section. Find the role that belongs to your bot. This is usually created automatically when the bot joins your server, and it often has the same name as the bot. Select that role and confirm that it exists only for the bot user. You don't want regular members sharing the same role, or they could end up with unintended permissions. Now, go back to your channel list and right-click on the channel where you want the bot to work. Choose the option to edit the channel, then open the Permissions tab. Add your bot's role to this channel's permissions if it isn't there already. Here, you'll want to allow the bot to view the channel, send messages, read message history, and use any specific features it needs, like embedding links or adding reactions. Save your changes so the bot officially has access. After that, you need to remove or restrict the bot's access from other channels. One by one, go through the other channels in your server where you don't want the bot to respond. Edit each channel's permissions, add the bot's role if necessary, and explicitly deny send messages and, if desired, view channel. This makes sure the bot can't accidentally respond or clutter conversations outside your chosen channel. Finally, return to your locked bot channel and test it. Type one of the bot's commands and confirm that it replies there. Then try the same command in another channel to make sure it doesn't respond. Once this works, your bot is successfully locked to a single channel on Discord.